Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Joymoop. Okay, so this right over here. So first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and fill the water side or the wash side, so wash side over here, to about the max line over here. So I like to use about lukewarm water. So while we're doing this, we're actually going to add some cleaning solution as well. So any cleaning solution will do. And so I just have some cleaning solution here. And I'll just pour, let's say maybe like a little less than half a cup into the cleaning solution or into the wash side. So after you pour some cleaning solution, again, we're going to go fill this up. And so my cleaning solution tends to bubble quite a bit. So you might see some bubbles start appearing at the top. And so we're just going to fill it all the way to the max line of what you see right over there. So close to it. And so there we have our mop bucket set up. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to grab our flathead mop, and you want to make sure that this side is up. And then we're simply just going to push it inside just like this. Okay, so this is what's going to actually wet the mop. And so while we're doing this, this little bar here is making it so that the solution actually gets applied to the mop. Then afterwards, we're going to wring it into the dry side, which is this side here. So do a few rings, and there you have it. And so the next thing that we're going to do is now we'll go ahead and mop. So after you mop a few sections of your floor, just like that, you're going to make sure that this way is pointed upwards, and then ring it on the wash side again. So you're going to wash them up, and then we're going to go into the dry side, give it about 2 or 3 rings, and afterwards we're going to continue mopping. So that's pretty much it as far as how to use the Joymoop. So overall, I'd say I'm very pleased with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. It's pretty simple to use, easy to set up. And then after you're done mopping, you could actually go ahead and remove this microfiber cloth and throw it in the wash. So the Joymoop does come with 3 sets of microfiber cloths that you see right over here. Easy to wash, just throw it in the washer, and there you have it.